Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard airplane full guide. Start by choosing strong materials like balsa, plywood, or thin sheet metal and gather tools. Measure and mark parts precisely, then cut wing, fuselage, and tail components accurately. Use reinforced joints and light fasteners to maintain strength and reduce weight. Balance the plane by adjusting weight distribution and testing short hops to refine trim and control. Gather materials and tools before starting to save time and avoid rushed decisions. Choose sturdy sheet materials such as balsa, thin plywood, or light metal for load-bearing parts and foam for fillers. Use a sharp blade, small saw, sanding blocks, clamps, and reliable adhesive for clean joins. Keep a ruler and protractor handy for accurate symmetry. Wear gloves and eye protection when shaping parts to prevent injury and ensure quality. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and use it to play relaxing sounds while you build, set timers, or control tools hands-free. It's handy near your workbench for music and voice timers, and it makes the workspace more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start assembly by aligning and securing the fuselage to a flat reference surface to prevent twist. Mount wings with mirrored angles and reinforce spars where needed to handle flight loads. Install tail surfaces square to the fuselage and use a small weight for fine balance adjustments. Conduct gentle glide tests from low height to observe stability and adjust trim or weight placement until the model tracks smoothly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.